A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a divided U.S. appeals court ruled on Friday that most of former President Donald Trump's tariffs are illegal, raising questions about his administration's economic policies. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit upheld a previous ruling from the U.S. Court of International Trade, which stated that Congress did not intend to grant the president unlimited powers under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA. This ruling comes at a critical time as Trump has heavily relied on tariffs as a key tool in his trade policy, particularly during his second term in office. The court's decision allows the tariffs to remain in effect until October 14th, providing the Trump administration with a window to appeal the ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court. In response to the decision, Trump took to social media, declaring the ruling incorrect and asserting that all tariffs remain in effect. He emphasized the importance of tariffs in supporting American workers and companies, claiming that they are essential for addressing trade imbalances and protecting national interests. The court's ruling, however, has sparked debate over the legality of Trump's tariffs, which have been a cornerstone of his foreign policy strategy. The judges highlighted that the statute under which Trump imposed the tariffs does not explicitly authorize such actions, noting that it has historically been used for sanctions rather than tariffs. Trump's administration has argued that these tariffs were necessary to combat what he described as unusual and extraordinary threats to the U.S. economy. The ruling has implications not only for Trump's trade policies, but also for the broader legal framework governing presidential powers. Legal experts point out that the decision could set a precedent for future administrations and their ability to impose tariffs without congressional approval. The court's majority opinion, comprised of 6 judges appointed by Democratic presidents and 1 by a Republican president, reflects a growing concern about the concentration of power in the executive branch. The dissenting judges, appointed by Republican presidents, argued that the president should have the authority to act decisively in response to national emergencies. As the legal battle continues, the impact of the tariffs on American businesses and consumers remains a pressing concern. Many companies have expressed uncertainty regarding the future of these tariffs, as they navigate the complexities of international trade and the potential for retaliatory measures from other countries. The ruling has also drawn attention to the ongoing challenges faced by the Trump administration in its efforts to reshape U.S. trade policy. With multiple lawsuits challenging the legality of the tariffs, the outcome of this case could have far-reaching consequences for the future of American trade relations. As the Trump administration prepares to appeal the ruling, the stage is set for a potentially landmark legal showdown in the Supreme Court. The implications of this case extend beyond tariffs, raising fundamental questions about the balance of power between the legislative and executive branches. In the coming months, the nation will be watching closely as the legal arguments unfold, and the fate of Trump's tariffs hangs in the balance. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.